हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आई एम मुस्कान ठाकुर। आज हम इम्यूनोग्लोबुलिन की क्लासेस के बारे में पढ़ेंगे। Immunoglobulin is a glycoprotein and they are immunologically active serum protein formed in response to an antigen and react with the antigen. All antibodies are immunoglobulin, but the all immunoglobulin may not be antibodies. The five classes of immunoglobulin in human serum: IgG, IgA, IgM, IgD, and IgE. And the nature of heavy chain: gamma in IgG, alpha in IgA, mu in IgM, delta in IgD, and epsilon in IgE. The first immunoglobulin is a IgG. It is a glycoprotein, it is an antibody, it is a Y-shaped molecule. It is a 4 polypeptide chain molecule form of 2 light chain and 2 heavy chain gamma type. The light chain consists of single constant domain Cl and single variable domain Vn, and the heavy chain consists of 4 domain. First is single variable domain Vh and 3 constant domain CH1, CH2, and CH3. IgG is the greatest amount in internal body fluid and it is produced during the secondary immune response. The sedimentation coefficient is 7s and the normal serum concentration of IgG is about 8 to 16 mg and the carbohydrate content is about 3%. The half-life of IgG is 25 days. The four subclasses of IgG: IgG1, IgG2, IgG3, and IgG4. IgG1 is major one, forming 67% of total IgG, followed by IgG2 22%, IgG3 7%, and IgG4 4%. And the number of interchain disulfide bridge is 2 for IgG1 and IgG4, 4 for IgG2, and 10 to 13 for IgG3. The large number of disulfide bond in IgG3. They associated with the hinge region consist of 62 amino acids and they result in higher molecular weight of IgG3. IgG neutralizes toxin and viruses, and the IgG activates classical complement pathway during the antigen-antibody reaction. The IgG is the only immunoglobulin that crosses the human placenta and thus offer passive protection to the newborn for about 6 to 9 months. The second immunoglobulin is a IgA. It is a glycoprotein. It is an antibody. The two subclasses of IgA is IgA1 and IgA2. The IgA1 has both interchain and intrachain disulfide bond, and the IgA2 is completely devoid of interchain disulfide bond between both chains, and the two chains are held together by non-covalent linkage. The two types of IgA: the serum IgA and the secretory IgA. The secretory IgA is seen in external seromucous secretion of respiratory, gastrointestinal. And the two types of IgA: serum IgA. The first is serum IgA. Serum IgA is a monomer structure very similar to IgG molecule. It is a 4 polypeptide chain, 2 light chain kappa and lambda, and 2 heavy chain alpha type. The sedimentation coefficient is 7s. Normal serum level of IgA is 0.6 to 4.2 mg per ml, and the half-life of IgA is 6 to 8 days. It has more amount of IgA1 than IgA2. The secretory IgA. It is an equal mixture of IgA1 and IgA2 in contrast to the serum IgA. The human secretory IgA is much larger molecule than serum IgA and its molecular weight is about 5 lakh. It occurs as a dimer form, and the two molecule of IgA is linked by secretory component SC or a secretory base and a J chain, means joining chain. The secretory piece and the J chains are proteins. The secretory piece is synthesized by the epithelial cells which establish the IgA dimer against the proteolysis, and it is bound by disulfide bond and non-covalent bonds to Fc regions of the IgA dimers. The secretory PIS has a single polypeptide chain of molecular weight is 70,000, and the J chain is also a polypeptide chain of molecular weight is 15,000. This is secreted by the plasma cells. The IgA is synthesized by plasma cells in the lamina propria of a mucous membrane, and they dimerized intracellular by the secretory component and the J chain. The IgA is also found to produce immunity against the tapeworms, and the IgA is present in colostrum, protect the body from intestinal pathogens. So, breastfeeding reduces gastrointestinal infection in the infants by reducing the entry of pathogens of the environment, which otherwise occurs if bottle feeding is followed. The IgA does not fix complement but is found to activate alternate complement pathway, thereby neutralize local toxins and promotes phagocytosis and activate bacteriolytic activity, but this occurs only in the presence of lysozymes. The third immunoglobulin is a IgM. It is an antibody and it is the largest immunoglobulin and they referred as the macroglobulin because of its higher molecular weight 9,50,000. They are polymer of usually 5 molecules each with the 4 polypeptide chain. The polymerization of this molecule in presence of J chain in the case of secretory IgE. The J chain is hold the 5 subunits at the Fc regions and stabilize the Fc sulfhydryl groups. The serum level of the IgM is very low, about 5 to 2 mg per ml. Low serum level is due to its short life 5 days. A low synthetic rate is 5 to 8 mg per kg body weight per day, and the carbohydrate content is about 10 to 12%. Sedimentation coefficient is 19S, and there is no subclasses for the IgM. It is the most primitive immunoglobulin present in all vertebrates from lampreys onwards. In the mammal, it is the form of the cyclic pentamers of the 5 subunits linked by the disulfide bond or a J chain. The monomeric form 7S of IgM is found on B lymphocytes. The study on the number of the antigen binding sites of IgM show it has only 5, but theoretically 10 antigen binding sites are expected. But human and the rabbits IgM have 10 sites. The IgM is the first antibody to appear in primary immune response, but they not persist for long because of its short life, but it is very useful indicator of recent infection. They have multiple antigen binding sites 5 to 10, and the IgM has a high functional affinity for the multivalent antigens. For example, it is efficient in reactions with the antigens such as red cells, which have regularly repeated the epitopes on their surface. By its multivalency, it can also inhibit the mobility of the pathogens and enhance their phagocytosis. The IgM also show properties such as opsonization, complement fixation, agglutination, and cytolysis, etc. The fourth immunoglobulin is a IgD. IgD has a typical immunoglobulin structure with the 2 light chain kappa and lambda and 2 heavy chain delta types. It is slightly larger than IgG, have a molecular weight of 1,80,000. The large size of the IgD may be associated with the hinge region, and it is limited to blood serum. The average serum level is 0.03 mg per ml, and the sedimentation coefficient is 7S. IgD is rich in carbohydrate about 12%, and the rate of synthesis is 0.4 mg per kg body weight per day, and the half-life of IgD is 2 to 3 days. And the two subclasses of IgD is IgD1 and IgD2. The IgD has not been shown to have antibody activity, and the IgD is found associated with the surface of B lymphocytes along with IgM is found to act as an antigen receptors. The fifth immunoglobulin is a IgE. IgE is a monomer have a typical immunoglobulin structure. It has two light chain kappa and lambda and two heavy chain epsilon type. The heavy chain has an extra constant regions named CH1, CH2, CH3 and CH4. It is only immunoglobulin without hinge region. This molecular weight is 188,000 and the IgE is heat labile immunoglobulin, but the other immunoglobulin GAMD are heat stables and the serum level is 0.00004 mg per ml. The very low level of IgE is only because it synthesis by a very few cells in the body, but in the allergic condition its level may be 50 to 100 times higher than the normal person. The high level of IgE also encounter in the intestinal infection. The half-life of IgE is 2 to 3 days and the synthetic rate is 2 to 3 mg per kg body weight per day, and the carbohydrate content is about 12% and the sedimentation coefficient is 8s. It is usually known as skin sensitizing antibody and originally it was named as Regin. High level of IgE in children with worm infestation seems to have protective role. The protective function is either by the IgE acting directly on the parasites or by producing vasoactive amines, histamines. And the IgE mediates reagenic hypersensitivity, and the IgE antigen interaction on the mast cell result in degranulation of mast cell with the release of the vasoactive amines, and the subsequent clinical symptoms of immediate hypersensitivity such as sneezing. Some properties of immunoglobulin classes show on this table: sedimentation coefficient, molecular weight, carbohydrate content, half-life, subclasses, light chain, heavy chain, serum immunoglobulin level, valency for antigen binding, antibody activity, cross placenta, reagenic activity, complement fixation, fixed macrophages. Thank you. जय माता दी.